Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. In our last class, we saw how to design the cash deposit form as well as database tables. In this tutorial, I am going to teach how to write the coding for search. Search means when the user enter the account number and click search, the given account number balance will be displayed on the balance text box. That is the things I am going to teach in this tutorial. Okay. Before write the code, let me run this form only. Okay. So if you want to check this form only, instead of running from the beginning, so here double click on the form program.cs. This is the file where the program is started. Okay, the program is starting from form 1. Form 1 means this one belongs to login. This starting from login. Here you want to check only for this one. Okay, no need to starting again from beginning. So we can save some time and explain. Okay, here the deposit. Let me check the deposit form. After done this completed, after all the functions are completed, we set as from the beginning. Okay, now we set this one. Okay, this is the thing I am going to teach. Okay, so let me run. This is the form. Okay, it's running successfully here. Now when the user enter their account number and click search, the given account number balance will be displayed on this text box. Okay, that's the thing I am going to teach. Okay, so double click on the search button. Here what I am going to do is here I just write the namespace. We already wrote the namespace here. I already write the namespace here. Okay, the connection also I wrote here. Okay, this how to write the namespace as well as the connection, how to establish the connection. These are the stuff I already explained in my previous tutorials. Okay, so let me go to the rest of the part of the tutorial. So double click on the search button. This is the search button, the coding for the search button. Here what I am going to do is first open the connection. This connection I am open here, con.open. Sorry, before that I am going to write the try and catch exceptions. Before writing the code, you must remember of these steps. Okay, if I forget it, you must remember. Okay, so because this is very important stuff. Okay, this is very easy way to identify the error if you write like this. Okay, here you always open the connection. Here is the first time you have to open the connection here. When you write the code on C#, these three stuff you must write. Okay, this is for your code. When the error got this code, getting this code is passing to catch. Okay, that is the difference between here. What is the error, what type of error, all the stuff handling with this catch block. To easily identify the error of the catch block. Okay, this stuff I already explained in my previous tutorial. We no need to explain in this tutorial. Okay, first open the connection. Here this is the place where we close the connection. Okay, we successfully close the connection. Here what I am going to do is, here the first time I am going to create a string variable str equal. Here I am going to create the variable. I am put the query. Here what I am going to do is, here select all from. First time what I am going to do is, I am going to load this table. All the data I am going to bring. Select all from account. The all selected table will be selected. This all selected data will be selected now. Now what I am going to do is, here where ACC number, that will be the first column of this. ACC number mean account number. Okay, back to our coding part. Account number ACC ID. So the same thing you have to write here. Okay, if you write here, if you write here ACC ID and you write here ACC number, it will be wrong. Whatever write here, you must write here, then only it become true. Okay, account number where ACC ID equal double quotation, single quotation, double quotation, double quotation, single quotation. Within the quotation you put two double plus, and within the plus here you have to write the text box name. Okay, text box name will be here this one. This means with TCC AC. So you have to write here. TXT dot text. At the end of the statement, you have to close with this semicolon. That's it. That is the stuff you have to do. Here, what I did is so far. When the user type the account number on this text box, here, this one. So here, back to our coding part. This belongs to the account number. Here, select all from account where the account ID. Where the account ID mean when the user type the account number on this text box, it is finding here. Here, where select all from account table, the column will be where the column, this column. Okay, this column is equal into this text box, mean what the user type on the data on this text box, it is equal to this. The selected this data will be matching to this selected ID, it will be accepted. That is the thing I wrote here. Okay, but what the user type here, it is equal to this, the relevant data will be passing. Okay, the relevant data mean if this particular ID, what are the data available, this particular ID, the balance will be this, description will be this. Okay, so you have to display what is. Okay, if you provide here, you have to find what name or ID or name or balance or description or what. Okay, you have to get the relevant information of the particular ID of this one. So I am getting only for balance. So first I am going to check both. So write MySQL command cmd equal new MySQL command. I am checking both. This query will be correct or the connection, the query as well as the connection, both I am going to check. Okay, if it is not correct, error. The connection will be not established, correct, error. Okay, if both will be correct, the relevant data will be displayed here. Okay, so now what I am going to do is here I am going to write another command, which is a MySQL data reader equal. This will be read each and every row of the tables. Here I am going to create one variable rd read, simple meaning. Here I execute this command cmd dot execute reader. This time execute reader, close. Sorry, this is a method, close it. Okay, now what I am going to do is I put one while loop and read each and every row dot read. There will be default property available, read. It is reading each and every row of the table, account table. Now the given user's ID will be equal to this. The relevant data will be displayed on which text box? The balance text box. The given account number balance will display on the which text box? TXT bell text box. So back to this one. So here TXT bell dot text equal into rd read. Here you have to count here. Rd mean here this is the reading part. Here within this one array concept, here array always data base table always starting like array. This is the starting position 0 1 2 3 4. the number will be 4. The always database table will be starting from 0. This one like that something here. I already explained this one my previous tutorial. So 0 position, first position, second position. This one will be the account ID will be 0 position, custom ID is 1 first position, account ID will be second position, description will be third, this one will be 4. So this array you have put 4th position, dot you have to call the toString method as well. That is the needful stuff you have to write. That's it. If you write successfully here, this is the stuff you have to do here. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is the code you have to write here. Okay, I understood you so far. You have understood so far. Now if you anything error on this code, it is passing to catch block. Here you simply write one message box dot show method here ex dot message. What type of error it is passing to this message box as well. Okay, that's it you have to do. Okay, let me check whether these codings are correct or not. Okay, let me execute the query. Simply what I'm going to do is go back to my database. This is the account ID, someone's account ID. Let's copy this one and paste on this text box, which is account number text box. I have to display the given account number balance here. Click on the search button. Here the relevant balance will be displayed on this balance text box. Okay guys, I hope you all understood so far. Now let me go to write the deposit coding. Okay, let's write the coding part of deposit. Here notice that the deposit button you have to write 2 queries, because here if you execute the query program, if you let me go to our account and here copy this one, and here so search the given account number, this one will be the balance. If you type 10,000 for deposit, and when you click deposit button, here what happen is here the particular account, the given account number, the current balance will be 97,000. Here you deposit current now 10,000, the 19,000 and 10,000 both are added and updated here. 1,07,000 will be updated on this account table. Okay, 1,07,000 will be goes to the balance updated will be the account table, as well as the transaction table. This is the structure of the transaction. Here all the data will be saved in this transaction table. The currently deposited here, the deposit amount will be 10,000. The balance will be here store 97,000. This is the date the transaction will be happening. Okay, each and every bank will be check the transaction with this particular date. This is the transaction. Okay, the account number will be there. The current balance will be this. This particular date. The person the person who belongs to this account, he deposit this this range of amount. Okay, 10,000. Okay, that is stuff you have to do the bank, that which name is transaction. Okay, let me back to our coding part. You must understood this stuff, why we added 2 queries, why we write 2 queries. Okay, that's why we have write 2 queries. Okay, let's close the program. Now here double click on this one. First what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 4 variables and set into this text box, that relevant text box. Okay, so first here double click on the deposit button here, string data type. Here I'm going to write account number, comma, date. that this one will be date, account number, date. This one will be the both are a different data type. Instead of the int, we will write double, because double we can save the pointing values like that. If it is a double, you will able to write like this. Sorry, int, you will be able to write the value like this. If it is double, you will able to write the pointing value also. That's a different. Float will be possible, the double will be long. Okay, this one will be the bigger one. Okay, instead of float you can write double. Okay, that is good. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is here, you have to write b equal to these variables. Both variable we will write BAL and comma deposit. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I equal into the relevant text boxes. AC account number equal into text box which name is this TCC account. Let me copy the name and paste here. When the user type the value, sometime something getting error, so that it's not in pop up the property. Okay, something getting error here. Here what I'm going to do is here again, if it is not coming like that, just what you are going to do is here, you just close the application. If it is not pop-upping, when you type txt AC, it is not pop-upping the relevant text box name, you just copy this one. Sorry, you just ignore this one also. Close this one. Again, you can reopen it. Now it's gone. Now you can go here and you can type here now as well. Now you can see, if we type date here, now it's working. Okay, if you're getting error, you just, if it's not pop up the property as well, you just close the application and open it as well. Now the property, all the properties will be reloading and it's corrected. Okay, that's the problem happened earlier, so we fixed successfully. Now date, txt date text. Here what I did is here I changed the date name as txt date. Okay, now bell variable I'm going to equal into this bell text box. What the user type here, sorry, what is the balance display given account, it is passed into the bell variable. So bell, so txt bell equal into txt text box. Here deposit, the variable deposit equal into txt deposit dot text. What is the value user going to deposit here? It's passing to the deposit variable. Here notice that two errors, because double you can't write directly, you have to convert into the double type. So you have to how to convert is double, sorry, double dot pass. You have to write this one, it will automatically convert to double. Same thing you have to write here also, just bracket it, the bracket here, you have to write double dot pass. Now it's automatically converted. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here, you have to write two queries. One is account, another one is for transaction. Okay, date transaction you have to. So when you are writing the two queries, so keep in remember what we wrote in our account table, the two queries they're saving in the database, you have to use begin transaction method. Okay, this is the very efficient way to write. When you write in two queries, same time it will be saving, the two queries will be saving to different database, you must write begin transaction method. Okay, that is a very efficient way to write the program. So we already write this one. We have to copy from the connection or connection open. Okay, here, right here, copy until final. Go back to our deposit. Here, what I'm going to do is I have to paste here. After create the deposit variable, you have to paste this one, because we explained what we does here. Here, this one I already explained my previous tutorial. Okay, now here only I am going to change something else. Here, what happen is this one for insert. Okay, so let me check as insert. So here we write here. What I am going to write here is insert into what is the database we created, transaction. So transaction or ID, we don't need to put the text box. I explained earlier, because this is the auto increment. This is a column. Okay, account ID, date, balance, deposit. Okay, here window is not here. So what I'm going to do is here I'm going to set into relevant field. So you just copy this one. What are the field here? Insert into transaction. This is the table where I'm going to save the records. So transaction table, transaction, here this one will be the auto increment. ACC ID is already there here. Another one is date. This will be the second column, date. Another one is a bal. Bal mean balance. So you have to set here as balance. The final one will be deposit. You just copy and paste, so you avoid the errors, spelling mistake. If you just copy from the database and paste it, you can avoid the spelling errors. So yeah, they are the form. Okay, this is the 4 columns are there. Okay, you just check. Okay, ACID, and the same thing I am going to put here, equal to here. ACC ID mean this text box. The relevant variable will be, you have to select from here ACC here, this one ACC. You just copy here and paste. This is the one here. Okay, when the user type here, when the user enter the user ID here, it is passing the variable here. It is go here. It's put into the this relevant column. This column will be this column. Okay, that's the thing I did. Thus here what I going to do is particular date. Here date you can get here. This is a get date variable. The current date you can simply paste here. The same thing you have to do. Keep on do. You can do here like that. Fixed here. Deposit. Total deposit. That's it. This no need this field because this is enough. So we have to easily cut off this one. Okay. Now you can check both. This is the account number will be put into this column. Date will be put into date column. Balance will be put balance column. Deposit will be put into deposit column. This data is coming from our C# form, as well as this data is coming from our database table columns. You must understand these two. What is the relationship in between this one and this one? Insert into transaction. This is the table. The values is set into our forms. These are the values you are going to set into the these are the values you are going to set into this database tables. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, now I successfully done our insert part. As now I'm going to go to the update part. So here I'm going to completely remove this query, because I'm going to write the not insert query, update query. Within the bracket, what I'm going to do is here I'm going to write the update query. So update what? This is the account table. I'm going to update that. Okay, this is the account table. So how to write the update coding is, I just like this, update, keyword is update. What's the table? Account, set balance, the relevant field I'm going to update that, balance, right, same thing, balance, BAL, balance. Okay, this is okay. Again you have to write again balance, plus here double quote, single quotation, double quotation, double quotation, single quotation. Within the quotation you have to put 2 plus sign. Here you have to put this one, deposit, this deposit. The deposit here is also, it's added to the balance table. Deposit here, deposit. After that, here where ACC ID equal into this ID, the given ID. Okay, I will explain later. Here also copy and single quotation, double quotation, double quotation, single quotation. Here you have to put the variable. When you write that variable, you have to write like this: single quotation, double quotation, double quotation, single quotation. Within the quotation 2 plus sign. Within the plus sign you have to write the variable. Okay, like this. Okay, now all the stuffs are almost completed successfully here. So all the things are correct, record added successfully. Okay, let me see. Not successfully, here we will write transaction successfully, transaction successfully, transaction success. Not record added, transaction success. It's a success. Here, what happened is here, what I did is here, updated set balance. Set balance means this is the balance table I am going to set as the balance. Again put balance plus, sorry, here if you write like this, here this balance table I am going to set into this deposit. Okay, deposit mean this table. Okay, so what I am going to do is here, if I write balance here like this, plus mean your current balance will be here like this. Here, if you notice, if you run and see that we copy the account number and search, this is the current balance. If you deposit 10,000, if you deposit, here some errors will be displayed. Is there some syntax mistakes? Execute the code and see again. Okay, transaction successfully. Okay, here what happened is here, you will see, go back to our database and check what happened here. Here 90,000, 97,000. Refresh that. Here 1,000 rupees I saved, here 98,000. If you go and check the transaction table, here 1,000 will be saved. Here deposit 1,000 rupees. The current balance here, deposit will be 1,000 rupees. Here what happened is I did this here, account number, the current balance will be here, the current balance plus deposit balance. Deposit balance means this, whatever you enter here, deposit, it is passing the variable here. your current balance mean this one column will be this one, current balance column will be this one, plus the deposit mean this is coming from the text box data. This will be at both the added and updated. This both the added and it's given to this one, this balance put into this balance here, set into this one. So this will be the current balance will be 19,000 here, 19,000 here coming like this, here coming like this. The current balance will be here, notice that 19,000 here, also 19,000. Your deposit is 1,000 rupees, 1,000. So here, before you get notice that here plus is there, I put one plus for adding there. So 97,000 sorry, 9,000 1,000 plus 1,000. So it both are added and updated here. So here 19,000 it will be updated. So you have to put update query. So updated. What is the given ID? ID will be, you are given the runtime here, this ID taken from the text box. What are the ID here? This given ID, it's updated. The complete record will be updated. Okay, I hope you understood so far. This is the task I did so far. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy my tutorial. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.